Let's begin with the latest updates coming in on the Kolkata rape and murder case of a 31-year-old doctor who was raped and murdered in the most brutal manner possible in the RG Kar Medical College. Now, the DNA test of the accused will be conducted. Remember, one accused, ironically, who is a civil volunteer with the Kolkata police, has been taken into custody. A DNA test will be conducted to prove the involvement of the accused. At this point, the mother of the accused is crying foul play, claiming that her son has been forced to confess to this crime. Remember that the accused, Sanjay Roy, has in fact confessed that he did commit this crime. There is already evidence against him. His Bluetooth speaker was found at the scene of the crime. It is through, in fact, identifying that particular speaker that the cops found that he is involved in this heinous crime.
আপনি সঞ্জয় রায়ের মা তো?
হ্যাঁ, আমি সঞ্জয়ের মা।
আপনার ছেলেকে গ্রেফতার করা হয়েছে একজন মহিলা ডাক্তারকে খুন এবং ধর্ষণের ঘটনায়।
সবাই আসছে তাই জিজ্ঞেস করছে, কেন হবে? আমি কি বলবো বলুন? আমার তো বলার কিছু নয়, আমি তো এর মধ্যে নেই। সেখানে তো প্রচন্ড লোকজন থাকে তো, ডক্টররা থাকে, কারণ আমিও বেবিহাটটাই থেকে এসছি, আমি সারা রাত জেগে এসছি। আজ এই ঘটনাটা হয়ে গেছে, খুব খারাপ লাগছে। কেন হলো? কেউ গার্ড ছিল না।
Ritik Mondal is joining us with more details on the story as he tracks very closely the protests taking place right now, demanding justice for the young 31-year-old doctor who was raped and murdered in the hospital premises. Ritik, we understand that a DNA test will be conducted very soon, and this will be because the Kolkata police will be looking to essentially firm up the case against the main accused. But what about the other accused in this case? Have the cops been able to narrow down on who's been involved in this crime?
Well, Akshita, let me tell you, as far as the police investigation is concerned, we are given to understand that police said that the prime accused in this crime has been arrested. Now, several measures are being taken, and we are being told that this prime accused can face before the investigating officers. Currently, let me tell our viewers that a team of forensic experts has visited this particular crime scene. And when we speak, we know that the team is inside this particular RG Kar Medical College Hospital where the crime took place a couple of days back. And even after 48 hours, even after the measures are being taken, the superintendent of the hospital has been removed from his post, we can see that the junior doctors, they have decided to carry the protest, and they would continue the cease work and also continue to protest, demanding justice for the victim. And what we know that this particular accused, we are being told that he had an easy access inside this particular hospital building, perhaps, which is the reason that he gone unchecked. But there are questions being raised by the doctors and protesters whether this man was the only accused in this case, or they said that they suspect that there could have been several others' hands behind this heinous crime, which is why they demand justice, and the protester demanding a thorough judicial inquiry into this matter, and they also demand the release of the CCTV footages, and of course the post-mortem report should be revealed before them. These are the demands being raised by the protester, and we do understand that this is the actions against superintendent or the accused person are not going to die down the anger among protesters. So it would continue for several more days in days to come. Back to you.
All right, thanks, Ritik, for getting us those details. Horrifying incident this. It's triggered outrage, and rightly so, because there's a need to ensure justice for this young doctor here. The details of really the injuries that she sustained will shock you. This rape horror has actually happened in a medical college. The rape and murder of a 31-year-old doctor happened inside the RG Kar Medical College and has triggered massive outrage. Students, opposition in West Bengal are all protesting against the authorities, coming together to demand justice for the trainee doctor. The Indian Medical Association has also issued a stern warning to Bengal authorities. An ultimatum of 2 days has been given to go ahead and arrest all of the culprits. The IMA has said that if authorities fail to arrest the culprit in 48 hours, there will be a nationwide protest. The cops so far have arrested one accused, Sanjay Roy, who is ironically a civic volunteer who assists with the cops. He's been sent to 14-day police custody now. Politics is speaking over this brutal crime as BJP is now saying that West Bengal is unsafe for women. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has vowed strict action against those involved.
सबसे पहली मांग ये है कि इस पूरे जो मामला है, जो वाकया है, उसकी एक CBI इंक्वायरी हो। ये जो डॉक्टर थी वो वहाँ पे पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन कर रही थी, चेस्ट मेडिसिन विभाग में थी, ऑन ड्यूटी थी उस समय जिस समय उनके साथ ये दुखद घटना घटी है। और एक ड्यूटी डॉक्टर के साथ ऐसा होना ये पहली बार हमने सुना है और इसमें ऐसा लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं अस्पताल प्रशासन की लैप्सेस हैं जिसके वजह से ऐसा हुआ है। और हमें स्टेट गवर्नमेंट पर इस पूरे मामले को लेकर के बिल्कुल भी भरोसा नहीं है, क्योंकि जो इंटरनल खबरें आई हैं उनमें ये बातें आ रही हैं कि वो उन्हीं के पार्टी के कुछ एसोसिएटेड लोग हैं जो अक्यूज्ड हैं। तो इस
तृणमूल और CPM की सेटिंग है, सेटिंग की राजनीति चल रही है। यहाँ तृणमूल के कहने से CPM ने ये किया है, रोक रहा है हमें। कल भी पुलिस के तरफ से भी ये हुआ था, पुलिस कल हमारे नेताओं को जाने में रोक रही थी, लेकिन CPM के मीनाक्षी देवी को ले जाने में पुलिस का पूरी तरीके से सहयोग रहा। ये पूरी सेटिंग है TMC और CPM की।
See, this proves when CPM is obstructing the road and our honorable central minister and our president has come, Dr. Sukanta Majumdar, police is asking us to take another road. Why? They can't lathi charge like they do it on BJP. What are they afraid of? That is the reason we say TMC and CPM are all together. CPM is the B team of TMC in West Bengal. And that is proved again here. The police is standing there and protecting them. And our central minister is standing over here and waiting for the clearings.
Seized work of junior doctors at government-run hospital here in Kolkata and across the states continues. And what we can see, the junior doctors continue to protest amidst the situation, the demand for the justice for the victim of the junior doctor who was allegedly, killed and inside this hospital premises. In this regards, one person, suspected prime accused, has been arrested by police, and which suggests that it was a brutal killing of a junior doctor. Now the rest of the of fraternity, they are staging protests demanding justice for the woman. And of course, what we can see that the security has been increased in and around RG Kar Medical College Hospital, one of the city's super speciality hospital. This is one of the very important state-run hospital also where the security has been increased. We can see the police deployment over here since this morning, amidst the situation that anger mounting among particularly, the junior doctors. And apart from that, politics being unfolded over this, the opposition parties are targeting the ruling dispensation for the lawlessness inside the hospital. Thorough investigations are underway. One person has been arrested. Police investigation revealed that this man associated with Kolkata police had, easy access to the hospital, and prima facie suggests that he was the prime culprit behind this crime, which is why he has been arrested with regards to this matter. With camera person Taposh Barry, this is Ritik for India Today from Kolkata.